Hello everyone. Welcome once again to Cloud Drive series. Today I am with another interesting application of Nextcloud, that is collectives. Collectives. It is a modernized and simplified knowledge management application from Nextcloud. Let us begin. These are the list of applications that I have installed in my instance. Let me go through collectives. Before I start, we need to know what is collectives. Collectives is a form of organizing, and people use this form of organizing to do tons of different things. It is a knowledge management application where all the members of collectives can edit the same page simultaneously. It can share ownership usually, and with sharing ownership, they also share the responsibility. The main goal of the application is collective knowledge. That is to allow collective to accumulate knowledge over time and share that knowledge among its members. In order to deal with flexible membership, we will make sure that the data stays within the collectives even if some of its members leave. So what's in this application right now? So let me create a new collective like team account. So we have the collaborative editing. We have welcome page for new collective. To create a new page, just click on the add page. Yeah, here we can configure the new page. Here we can edit text. We can add pictures. We can link. We can change the view of the page. Let me write something. Yeah. Yeah, now we can change the view. We can add text, add pictures. We can link the file. At the top right side, we have three lines. Here you can view the old version of the page. You can revert back them. So if you feel like you made a mistake or you changed something and later or somebody complains, you can revert back to the old version. The important thing is this application is also interlinked with other applications like deck or nodes, text, circles, and files. So the application is interlinked with text app for editing and also integrated with circles in order to manage the membership. If we need to add any members to the certain collectives, we need to go to circles. I have created the team like team account. It will show here team account. Here I can add the members. We can add groups. We can add emails, anything. It is also interlinked with the files. All the data in the collective different pages are stored as markdown files inside your files. Here we can see the collectives. Yeah, here we can see the team account. So you can also use your files in order to change the content of files or add some files or remove or move them. We can edit from any one from our team can edit the page. This is all about the collective application. That's all for now. Please check our other videos for file, deck, calendar, time tracker, time manager, contacts, talk, and other applications. And for more details, reach us out. Please stay tuned for our next video. This is Muhammad Shazil from Intelsin. Thank you.